this episode of Bite Size Media Making, we're going to go over how to switch through different projects using DaVinci Resolve. A lot of the time, if you're working on a couple different things at the same time, or if you just accidentally open the wrong project, instead of closing it out and starting all over, there's a really quick way that you can switch between your projects straight through DaVinci. So let's get into it. Really easy way to switch between projects, as before I used to think that the quickest way would be to close DaVinci out completely and restart it and click the next project. But if you go up to the top, DaVinci Resolve, File, and then go to Project Manager, it pops up that window with all of your different projects, so you can switch in between projects really, really easily. It'll take you directly to the project that you want to work on without having to close the entire application out and restart it to get to your other projects. We hope that was a helpful bite-sized media making tip. Please like, comment, subscribe for more, and we'll see you next episode.